Hey y'all, in this video I'll show you how to draw quick and easy pancakes in Procreate. Trust me, every single beginner can draw this, so let's go ahead and get started. Anyways, for the background we are going to start off with a baby pink screen sized canvas, and for the pancakes we'll go ahead and use a monoline brush in this brownish color and draw an oval. And you can find this brush in the calligraphy category. Now we are gonna drag this little circle and fill it with color, and by clicking on this little arrow icon we are going to change its shape and size if needed. I kind of wanted to make mine look a little bit more flat, and now we're going to duplicate this layer and make sure that our bottom one is selected, because now we are going to fill it with a lighter color. You can either go with yellow or beige. And now, again, make sure that your bottom layer is selected. We are going to click on the little arrow icon and make it a little bit bigger, just so that we can see it from the bottom. And now we have the most basic looking pancake. So now let's go ahead and add some texture. And I will be using this airspray brush in a darker color, and I'm just going to add a little bit of it on the left side, and then I will use a lighter color on the right side for the highlights, just like so, and we'll repeat the same exact step on the bottom layer. Our pancake has some texture, but it doesn't look as realistic as I want it to. So now we're gonna go ahead and make sure that our alpha lock is off. And then we're gonna click on this little magic wand up over here, and we're gonna go down to liquefy. And using this tool or effect, whatever you want to call it, we're gonna go ahead and push the sides of our pancake. And ooh, I definitely need to change our brush's size and pressure and everything. And we're gonna play around with its settings and then kind of push the edges a little bit, just like so, to make it look more wobbly, because pancakes aren't perfectly round. And then we're also gonna do the same thing with the bottom layer. Yay, we are finally done with the pancake, but to create a stack, we are gonna want to merge the two layers together, just like so. And then we're gonna move the one and only pancake that we have to the very bottom. And instead of redrawing each and every single one of them, we are just gonna go ahead and go to the layers panel. One second, which is this one right here. We're gonna swipe to the left and click duplicate. And then we're gonna click on the little arrow icon and move our pancake up a little bit, and we're gonna repeat the step until we get a nice little stack of like 7 to 8 pancakes. So far so good, but they can't all look identical to each other, so now we are gonna go ahead and change some of their size. So actually let's go and click on the little arrow icon, and I'll make the second one bigger, just like so. And now we can go ahead and use the liquefy tool to change their shape a little bit, just like so. And we are gonna repeat this step for each and every single pancake. this step can be a little bit tricky, but it's time to add the shadows. So we are gonna use the airspray brush in this brownish color, and then we're gonna create a new layer above the layer with the pancake, and then we're gonna turn on the clipping mask, and now we'll be able to draw on the pancake without having paint spill over onto the other ones. And this way we are gonna create this nice shadow just like so, and we are going to repeat the step with every other pancake. So we are gonna add a new layer, turn on the clipping mask, and then add all the shadows. We are about to get started with my favorite part, which is adding maple syrup, and for this task we're going to use the monoline brush in this yellowish color, and we're gonna draw this big blob on top of the pancakes, and we're also gonna make it look like the maple syrup is dripping down just like so. And then let's actually go ahead and draw this blob over here, and then we are just gonna repeat the same steps on the other side. So far, this looks nothing like maple syrup and more like we poured some paint on our pancakes. So now we're gonna change that real quick. So we're gonna click on the little N icon and change our setting for this layer to multiply. And as you can see, it made a huge difference. But now we are gonna create a new layer and make sure that our clipping mask is on, and using this brush over here, the soft brush in color brown or like darkish brown, we're gonna go ahead and add some shadows. Actually, let me do the blending a little bit better. So we are gonna add some shadows on the bottom two blobs and on the huge one at the top. We're gonna top our pancakes off with some fruits or berries. I will go with blueberries. So on a new layer, we're gonna use the monoline brush and this blue color to create this little circle over here, and you can just hold down on the screen if you want it to be perfect. And now we're gonna turn our alpha lock on and then add some shadows on the left side. Just like so. I'm using the Is It Grunge brush, and we are also gonna add some highlights on the right side. Congrats guys, we are finally done with our pancakes tag. I mean almost done, because there's still a few things that we can improve, such as adding some shadows below the pancake and then adding some highlights using one of the calligraphy brushes, and this is what I'll be working on for the next few minutes. And this was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also make sure to follow my YouTube channel right now for more quick and easy tutorials and Procreate. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!